So how do you interact with decentralized financing applications using MetaMask? It's actually really easy, easier than you think. As you can see, we just created this MetaMask and we set it up. If you didn't follow us, I'll put the link in the description for that video so you can check it out. But right now we got a couple dollars in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this top menu with our test wallet. We're going to open up the browser. And now from here you can actually type in like PooCoin.app. And it will be using your wallet on this web app. So if we click wallet, it says we're not connected. We can click this button right up here, and now we can connect the MetaMask. There we go. So we have $10 in BNB. Now I'm going to open up Glow Token. I'm going to open up Glow Token. Let's go ahead and grab the address of Glow Token right here. This is the contract address. We're going to copy it, and we're going to throw it right in here. Now, because I don't have any Glow Token, it's not showing up in my wallet. But when you search for it on PooCoin, it'll come right up, and you just select it. And now here's Glow on PooCoin. Here we are. So easily the best way to trade it, I would say. PooCoin is not working for me right now, so I'm going to go over to PancakeSwap.finance. Now make sure you type it in exactly like this. It is PancakeSwap.finance. Now we just need to connect our wallet. Connect. Now it's going to ask us to start trading. So let's go ahead and grab this address again. And we want to manage tokens and add a custom token. Import. I understand. Import Glow token. And now I can buy a maximum. And that's how you interact with decentralized applications on MetaMask. You can always just come back to your wallet and do whatever you want. But for the most part, you can use the browser. You can even open up other tabs, Open up other tabs. And let's say you want to go to DexTools. Here's DexTools. Launch the app. And then you'll be able to go to Pair Explorer. And here you can search for, you can go to Pair Explorer. And then within this parameter here, you can search for Glow. And it comes right up. You can use BUSD or the Smart Chain BNB to purchase Glow on DexTools. We're going to use the BNB. You just select buy and sell. And let's do a max. We got to connect our wallet first. It's going to connect to the wallet. And now let's do a max. Let's try to do 0.1. There we go. And now it will let us swap here our 0.1 BNB for Glow. 999 million Glow. You can even see the previous trade histories as well on DexTools. I do like the chart of DexTools. It has some pretty cool utilities. I think on the website on PC it shows up a lot better, but I really love it. And yeah, that's how you use decentralized financing applications on MetaMask. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, hit the thumbs up on this video, share it, and help people learn more about these tools in cryptocurrency. Don't forget to check out the website, and have a great day. Thank you.